Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace an engine air filter for a Hyundai Santa Fe. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving time and money. A clean air filter is crucial for your engine's health, ensuring it breathes properly for optimal performance and better fuel economy. We'll walk through each step, making it simple to follow along. Now, let's find the air filter housing. It's typically a large, black plastic box located under the hood, often on the passenger side of the engine compartment. You'll usually see a large intake hose connected to it. Carefully unclip the metal clips or unscrew any retaining screws holding the cover in place. Once the clips are released, you can gently lift the top part of the housing. With the housing open, carefully lift out the old air filter. Take a moment to observe how it sits in the housing. The new one will go in the same way. You might notice accumulated dirt and leaves inside the housing. It's a good idea to wipe this clean with a cloth or vacuum it out. Now, gently place your new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely. Once the new filter is in place, carefully lower the housing cover back down. Make sure the tabs on the cover align correctly with the slots on the bottom half of the housing. Re-engage all the clips or tighten any screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is secure and there are no gaps. You've successfully replaced your engine air filter. Great job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.